we need, suggested Toby, is to listen to a story. A mysterious story, said Percy. But, added Duck, it must have a happy ending. Driver told me a story, said Thomas. So everyone listened. And that, said Thomas, is the whole story. Did you like it? Yes, indeed, agreed the engines. Especially the happy ending. And soon they were all asleep too.
Wait. Am I missing someone? Nah, I'm good.
One moment, everything seemed safe, then suddenly...
There's a great lover calls your mother on the weekend. Now you might think that this guy only exists in your mind. But guess what? You're right.
Hi, are you the owner
Of a lonely heart.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna do an internet! Whoa! Well, I'm gonna do a book! Oh.
The refreshment lady was making her way to the train. Then it happened. The guard says that Peter Sam was too impatient. Peter Sam says he was sure he heard a whistle. Anyway, he started. Stop, 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 wailed the coaches. You've left the refreshment lady behind.
What the fuck are they saying?
Faster! Faster! No, no! It's Peter Sam! Did you hear something? I think they said it's Peter.
Mother...
Oh, come on. What did I ever do to you?
Sorry. We thought you were Sir Handel.
What? What? Do I look like Sir Handel to you? We're not even the same colour.
It made more sense in the railway series. I guess we TV series trucks are just colorblind.
I'm sorry I was rude to you. That's all right, Duncan. I wish all diesels were like you. Let's be friends. Suits me, replied Rusty. We'll mend that bad bit of rail first thing tomorrow.
Ha! Gay!
Don't worry, Peter Sam. This funnel is something special indeed. You'll soon see. Peter Sam's new funnel had special pipes which made puffing much easier. I feel stronger than ever before, he hummed. Even Sir Handel was impressed.
Damn!
Does that mean he's not coming on then?
Right, don't put too much weight on it, right?
Where the fuck am I meant to put my weight? Wait, I can't put my weight in the roof, it's dead fun. I can't hold on to the bottom. What am I meant to do that? Oh, you don't know what the fuck I do? You fucking wank, Steve. Don't shift the weight. Where the fuck are you talking about? I can't put my weight on the fucking roof. I can't put my weight in the bottom. Where's it meant to go? No, man, I can't do this fucking... Move it!
I've got cramp, he groaned. Ooh, what's that? Murmured Rusty. But it was only the sounds of the lonely scrapyard. Diesels, silent and still, lined up on guard. Who are you?
Nope. Nope.
Nope! The light of 10,000 notes!
Ever since Thomas.
Fuck right off.
Yeah, point taken.
Nice car.
Then he picked up a load of empty ones and started back. Ahead was a cricket field. The game had just begun. Stepney and his driver and was just about to drink another when Henry let off steam. "Oh!" cried the elephant. Water went all over Henry. Poor Henry. Then Thomas made his mistake. Just like this, he boasted.
Hey, Ryan. Hey, Billy. That hurt.
Hey there, sugar baby. You got game, baby. You been working out?
But Champion was too busy grazing to take any notice.
You want to show me what separates the bulls from the cows?
Ew! But, yeah, that didn't work either. Denied!
Go it, yelled Duck. Well done, boy, well done. Wailed Scruffy. I'm coming apart.
I sawed this boat in half!
So they played into the larger goal of Henry coming out triumphant. These two, though, there is nothing tying them together, besides this very weirdly forced last line of dialogue.
Well, we've both had some seaside surprises today, laughed Toby. But Driver says that I'm a special attraction anyway. And so are you.
What?